second day, we're going to Kyoto. Oh, I've got colds. Hello, handsome. We are in this beautiful area of Shichijo. Okay, we're going there later. So, ayun nga, nagkamali kami ng binabaan na station. Pero dito kami nakakita ng hile-hileran ng cherry blossoms. Ang ganda, light pink. And syempre, picture for remembrance. So, ito na nga, nagsimula na kaming maglakad along the river, going to Fushimi Inari. Pwede rin maglakad sa taas, pero mas maganda dito sa baba kasi may makita ding views. And, kagaya nito, merong flowers. And meron ding bluebells. Napakaganda talaga ng view dito. And ayan, malapit na kami makarating sa Fushimi Inari. So, andito na kami sa entrance. So, based on my research, Fushimi Inari Shrine is an important Shinto shrine in southern Kyoto. It is famous for its thousands of vermilion torii gates which straddle a network of trails behind its main buildings. Sabi din pala dito, it takes about 2 to 3 hours to hike to the summit of the mountain and back. So, let's see hanggang saan ang kaya naming akyatin. So, peak season din pala, kaya madaming tao and it's March, it's spring, pero mainit. And ito na yung mga stone foxes which are believed to be Inari's messengers. Inari, she's the Shinto god of frogs. And according to the map, this is now the main hall, where all visitors are encouraged to pay respect to the resident deity by making a small offering. From here, we are about to see the torii gates. Yung mga torii gates, galing pala siya sa mga donations by individuals and companies. And the donations range from around 400,000 yen for a smaller gate up to 1 million yen for a larger gate. The line is kind of slow, so we decided to detour na lang. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga letterings, naka-inscribe dyan yung mga donator's name and the date of the donation.
한 개.
We're ordering two.
Thank you.
we did some shopping. Groceries. Oh, there's more in my bag. So I'm going downstairs sa first floor to do the laundry. So ito, pakita ko sa inyo paano gamitin yung washing machine nila dito sa hotel. We're actually lucky kasi maraming bakanting machine and walang pila, so makapaglaba tayo today. This one, 500. And then, deposit coins. So, yung washing machine nila dito sa hotel, hindi mo na kailangan maglagay ng detergent. Maglalagay ka lang ng 100 yen. So, the prices ranges from around 300 to 500 yen. Pero yung sa 500 yen na yun, may kasama na siyang wash and dry. So, sulit. And ayan, tapos na tayo maglabas. So, magsasampay na lang. And then, tignan ko makakalabas pa tayo mamaya. But that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!